Welcome back to our channel, your go-to spot for the latest in tech and innovation. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for reviews on groundbreaking gadgets just like this. Get ready for a revolution in smartphone technology. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate is here, the world's first triple folding smartphone. Available in sophisticated dark black and the one-of-a-kind Ruhong finish. This phone doesn't just look luxurious, it feels premium with its plain leather texture. Its 3K ultra-high-resolution screen boasts a 16:11 aspect ratio and an impressive 92% screen-to-body ratio, giving you an immersive experience whether you're working, gaming, or just scrolling. With this triple screen design, multitasking has never been easier. You can browse, work, and watch OLED at once on all three screens. Whether it's a quick task on a single screen or a deep dive with all three, the Mate XT adapts to how you work. Running on Huawei HarmonyOS, this phone is powered by cutting-edge AI. Meet the AI scene editor. It makes text editing and input a breeze, letting you dictate, translate, and polish your content with just your voice. Meet Assistance, the AI information consultant, Xiaoyi, is always ready, summarizing articles, managing multitasking, or translating documents. It's all covered. For content creators, the camera is where the magic happens. A 50MP ultra-wide main lens, paired with 12MP ultra-wide and 12MP telephoto lenses, gives you stunning shots with up to 50x optical zoom. From capturing wide landscapes to zooming in on the details, your shots will always be crisp and steady. All this power is packed into a device just 1.9mm thin, with a 5600 mAh battery to keep you going. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or working, the OLED display with 1440Hz PWM dimming ensures a smooth, comfortable experience. The Huawei Mate XT Ultimate isn't just a smartphone, it's innovation redefined. Whether for work, play, or creativity, it's the perfect device for those who need versatility and power in the palm of their hands. Unfold the future with the Huawei Mate XT Ultimate. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to channel name for more tech insights. Stay tuned for our next video, where we dive into even more cutting-edge technology. Huawei Mate XT Ultimate, unfold your potential. Subscribe for more tech reviews.